Hi, welcome to our series on how to practice self-care. So practicing self-care once again depends upon the individual. So whatever suggestions I have are just suggestions. You still have to be the one to look for what works best for you. On my last video, I discussed about spending time outdoors as part of self-care. So I said there, you can just go outside of your door to just take a whiff of fresh air. Or just go out of your house and spend time around the neighborhood saying hi to the neighbors. Or if you have the resources, go to the park, go to the beach, or go to the mountains. That is spending time outdoors as part of self-care. For this video, I would like to discuss about mindfulness, decluttering, and unplugging as part of self-care. Mindfulness is being in the moment. So when we're eating, we can savor the food by taking time to bite, chew, and swallow it. Smell the aroma and taste the flavors that are in it. Also, when we're with people, we have to be with. So being with is spending time to listen, to talk to the person that's in front of us instead of being distracted by our cell phones or by whatever is inside of inside our minds. Also, meditation is mindfulness, because when we take time to just be still and just shut off everything that we're thinking or that we're doing, we're spending time to just focus on our breath, and that is mindfulness. That is therapeutic, and that is part of self-care. Aside from mindfulness, we can also do decluttering. Decluttering to me is one of my projects, because I want to be eventually become a minimalist. Because being minimalist is not having too much distractions around us. So decluttering is not just cleaning up the closet, it's also clearing up the workspace or clearing up the apps in my phone or in my laptop, or just taking time to just take a lot of distractions from my life. So we have to declutter our life also from too much toxicity, like toxic friends, toxic relationships, or anything that's not serving any purpose in our life at all, like habits or whatever that is. So that's mindfulness and decluttering. Now let's talk about unplugging. Unplugging is also part of self-care. If we unplug ourselves from technology, because technology is a double-edged sword. It can help us, but it can also break us sometimes. So it would be nice to unplug ourselves once in a while, to take out a lot of distractions that's preventing us from becoming the best versions of ourselves. Unplugging means taking time off Facebook, taking time off social media, and just reading a book and still growing yourself, just meditating, or just fixing our relationships offline, just socializing with family and friends and with real people, not just online friends. Okay, so that's mindfulness, decluttering, and unplugging. That's for this tip number 2 of our video. See you on our next one for more tips. And this is once again our series on how to practice self-care. Bye!